Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make dashi from scratch. Start by soaking kombu in 2 cups cold water for 30 minutes, then slowly heat to just before boiling and remove kombu. Add a handful of bonito flakes, steep for 1 to 2 minutes off the heat, then strain through a fine sieve or paper towel. Taste and adjust salt gently, using light soy or a pinch of sea salt to finish. For a deeper, balanced dashi, focus on kombu quality and handling. Gently wipe kombu to remove grit while preserving its white, powdery umami, then rehydrate for 20 to 30 minutes. Heat the water slowly and remove the kombu just before boiling to avoid bitterness. Add bonito flakes after removing kombu, steep briefly off heat, and strain. Keep proportions consistent and taste as you go for the best results. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes it easy to read recipes in the kitchen without splashes, with a crisp screen and long battery life that keeps your cookbooks handy. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Bonito flakes, or katsuobushi, define classic dashi aroma and depth. Measure 10 to 15 grams per 2 cups water for a reliable base, and add flakes only after removing kombu to prevent bitterness. Steep off the heat for 1 to 2 minutes, then strain gently to keep clarity. For vegetarian dashi, substitute dried shiitake or extra kombu, adjusting steeping times to extract rich, savory notes without overpowering the broth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.